Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number SC1248-HNBL-DND-6. This is a 6-pin Schlage key blank. Let's dissect the part number and see exactly what this unit is. The part number of the key blank that we have is SC1248. Well, SC1248, that's going to be a reference to the Schlage 1248 keyway, which is a restricted keyway in the sense that it was a restricted keyway at one time. The patent certainly ran out, and companies like Kaba Ilco would be certainly not prevented or restricted from manufacturing the item. So it was at one time a 1248 keyway, which would have been restricted. Schlage does not. Schlage has a number of 4-character keyways that are only going to be provided from the factory with a letter of authorization type scenario. Not substantial criteria in which to order the material, but there's extra steps. With the 1248, obviously Kaba Ilco has concluded that there's enough potential sales for them to actually manufacture this 1248 key blank. Okay? And that's exactly what this is. Now let's take a look at the SC1248. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the key blank catalog. And in that key blank catalog, you can search for SC1248, and you'll find that 4-character keyway with several other that they have. And that will show you the milling profile. Now, this part number goes on to be an HNBL. Well, HNBL stands for, what that means is that this is a neuter bow. Neuter. The bow of the key does not give any indication to someone who will visually look at this and say, ah, I know the manufacturer of that key blank. Point being is if I held this key blank up to you, someone might say, that's Schlage. I know that's Schlage. So an SC1248 key blank by Kaba Ilco will have the Schlage classic bow, but it will be in the 1248 key blank. Well, if you want to have some control, if you want to take a step as to how to visually control the key blank a little bit better, you can order a neuter bow that will not give anyone without some locksmithing experience an understanding of what it is this keyway is. So the HN specifically means neuter bow. You can order lots of different keyways. Technically, you can probably order every keyway they do in a neuter bow with a minimum or with limitations. The HN is neuter bow. The BL means brass lacquer. Okay, this is going to be a nickel silver key that's going to have a brass finish over it. This key blank goes on to be DND, which stands for do not duplicate on the opposite side. So whoever is buying these key blanks not only has an unusual keyway that I'm quite sure you're not going to walk into the Home Depots of the world and get a key cut, but they have eliminated the visual cue of the bow, and they've ordered it do not duplicate, which doesn't mean that you can't duplicate it, but I can tell you that locksmiths, if you walk in with this and ask to duplicate the key, it would not be unusual for a locksmith to patently refuse to do so. That's why people who don't want their keys duplicated will put that on there. But there's nothing binding about the stamping on there, do not duplicate. There would be nothing that would prevent me from copying this key because of the visual stamping that's been done on it. This is a 6-pin length bow. Again, this is the 1248, and that key blank catalog will allow you to see the milling profile. Now, the milling profile is not what the key blank itself looks like. It's not this profile at all. It is the cylinder profile. It's the cylinder in which you insert the key. So when you look at the key this way, you have to, in your mind's eye, flip that over, because it's actually as if you're looking at it down from the bow to the tip, or as if you're looking in the cylinder. Sometimes it's difficult, of course, to be able to determine if this is the proper key blank that you might need. The fact of the matter is that milling profile is there to help you determine if that is what it is, the keyway that you're looking at. And if you're unable to do so, which I know that I'm unable to do so in some instances, what I am able to do in all instances, at least eliminate what it's not. Because Kaba Ilco doesn't make every key blank, but you can usually use their catalog to eliminate what it's not. The overall blade height, 0.342 and 0.341 inch, 0.341. The blade thickness, overall thickness 0.087, 0.087, and again that's a 6-pin blank. It may look a little bit long to you, and that's because it's a 6-pin blank, not a typical 5-pin. Finally, that link below this video, again to the manufacturer's page, will allow you to review not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full key blank catalog, the brass cylinder catalog, and other encyclopedic documents that are there, like manuals on their key machines. They have a comprehensive offering of key machines as well. Any questions on the SC1248 HNBL DND Kaba Ilco key blank? They're sold as each. When you buy one, we'll send you one. This client ordered 6. Or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.